Lions, and welcome to Tangible Tuesday, November 5th. November, again, is my favorite month for so many reasons. Tangible, why tangible? Tangible just means something you can touch, like I'm touching these Roar tickets. And so tangible means it can be touched or felt or, sensed. I am Mr. Garcia, your assistant principal, and there is no other place I would rather be than right here on this campus with all of you. Today's temperature is going to be 72 degrees and cloudy, but guess what? That's just preparing us for the wonderful winter that we're going to be looking forward to, and for the great holiday season. It has started, and I love it. Teachers, thank you so much for getting your lunch count and attendance in. We always really appreciate that. PBIS today, Lions, what are the three words? Respectful, responsible, and safe. Make sure everything you're doing is about being respectful, responsible, and safe. Whether that's on the playground, whether that's in the classroom, whether that's in the library or in the cafeteria. You need to show respect to others, you need to be responsible in your actions, and you need to be safe in how you're treating others and how you're treating our campus. Okay, very good. We'll talk more about that later. Okay, let's take a look at our lunch today real quick. What are we having for lunch? Chicken tenders, oven roasted planetarium strips. Wow. Syrup and waffles. Okay, chicken and waffles. Sweet potato smash, sliced cucumbers. Half your plate, Lions, should be vegetables. So load it up with those cucumbers, the smashed potatoes, cauliflower. There you go, and you're gonna be great. That's gonna really work for you. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at some Roar cards. First, Mrs. Patho is recognizing Nathan. He picked up trash around our room. Heart, Mrs. Papo. Great job, Nathan. Next one is Anabia, being recognized by Mrs. Messick. Anabia is responsible every day. She reads at home and completes every assignment. Heart, Mrs. M. Great job. Mrs. Coughlin recognizing Yana Lise. Yana Lise is such a great helper, not only to her classmates, but to her teachers as well. Heart, Mrs. Coughlin. Great job, Yana Lise. Mrs. Coughlin is recognizing many students here, so let me just go ahead and go over these. Emily is a great helper. She goes above and beyond by helping me before and after school. Heart, Mrs. Coughlin. Thank you very much. Great job, Emily. Rena is always helps others in need. She is a great role model. Wow, excellent job, Rena. Jackson brings a wealth of knowledge to our WIN class. Thank you for all your hard work. Heart, Mrs. Coughlin. Great job, Jackson. Faith always participates during WIN class. She volunteers to read often. She is always respectful, responsible, and safe, just like we were talking about a minute ago. Great job, Faith. Everlyn always participates during WIN. She is respectful, responsible, and safe every day. Great job, Everlyn. Wow, underscoring what I talked about a minute ago. And then Alex has been a great leader in our class. He's a great example of how a respectful, responsible, and safe student should act. Okay, students, I hope you recognize now that being respectful, responsible, and safe is how you are recognized, and you get a Roar card. And you're being recognized for being the person you're supposed to be on this campus. Okay, very good. Let's talk about a couple of birthdays. I have not done anything for November yet, so let's start with the second, Matthew Herr. Matthew was 9 years old on the second. He's in Mrs. Sanchez's class. Nick Bang, 10 years old in Mrs. Cisneros' class. Scarlett Yang, 5 years old in Mrs. Hudson's class. Valeria Hernandez Valver, I think it's Valeria. Yes, let me see here. Yes, Valeria Hernandez Valver. She is 11 years old in Mrs. Coughlin's class. And then no birthdays for today. Those are all catch-up birthdays. All right, very good. Okay, let's talk about a joke, Lines. Okay, it's kind of serious, though, actually. Why do seagulls fly over the sea? If they flew over the bay, they would be bagels. All right, let's go ahead and stand for the flag salute. Hats off, hoods off. Leave your glasses on. Hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, great job, Lions. Make sure you are here every day on time, ready to learn. Be here every day. Don't miss school, because when you miss school, you miss out. Be here every day. And remember, the world is a different place. the world is a better place because you're in it. So have a great day, Lions, and we'll see you around.